Rev up your ride with the fabulous Betty Boop Decal. This delightful sticker is perfect for adding a splash of cartoon charm to your motorcycle, car, or truck windows. So, whether you're cruising down the highway or parked at a biker rally, let Betty Boop bring a smile to your face and a wink to your ride. Get ready to turn heads and spread joy with this iconic cartoon character. With a whopping 21 sizes and a dazzling array of 32 colors to choose from. Rain or shine, hot or cold, this Betty Boop decal is ready to hit the road. Designed for outdoor application, it sticks like a dream with a clear, solvent-based adhesive that promises to stay put for up to 6 years. Clear application tape allows you to apply the decal with a phantom of precision. A must-have for every lady biker who knows how to blend sass with style. raddezigns.com